Alright YouTube, so here we have this 1983 Hunter original. You may have seen the video from last night where it was really bad. The motor was basically magnetic locking, which is due to either it being not run with the proper grease or oil or whatever they put in this thing. I still think they put grease in this thing. I haven't taken it apart yet to see for sure. I'm just making a quick video since I do have it working with some WD-40 in it. So, this is one of the oddball 1983 3-speed ones. Let me get a better view of this tag. There you go. There's the Ron Mars label. 2.5 amp fan. There are the wires that goes to the motor. So let's go ahead and start off on low speed. The reverse air blade brackets work pretty well in this fan. I've had it in reverse running all day today. Low speed on this model is very aesthetic. The bearing is silent, by the way, now. Going to a medium speed. Medium's decent. It's about the same as a 2.5 2-speed, probably the low speed about one. Alright, let's go ahead and go to high speed. It takes right off. It functions just as it should. The blade's a little bit out of clock, it looks like. This one did come without a campy, but like I said, I got plenty of white campies. They're in good shape. I'll just probably throw one on this thing before I sell it to someone or part it out or whatever I want to do with it. Since it's working, I'll probably sell it. Like I said, this is a 2.5 1983 model. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin down. As you'll see, the spin down was greatly improved. I'm not entirely sure what was going on with it earlier. Yesterday. It would have been nice if the listing said it had an issue, but like I said, I've since corrected it. Honestly, the bearing's in good shape, so I don't know. It's hard to say what happened to this fan. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.